Hi, this is Dr. Ace Thayer, Balanced Focus Neck Adjustments. I'm with Juan. Juan is 21 years old. He's working on his second kid right now. He is dying in pain. 2.5 years of pain. He's been to 5 different chiropractors. Freaking pissed me off. Not one chiropractor taken an x-ray of him. Not one chiropractor actually adjusted his neck. None of them have helped him. He's been to orthopedic surgeons, has injections in his back. Nothing has helped. 21 years old. Can't play with his kids, can't roll over and hug his wife at night. He is in pain and only 21 years old. So you're gonna watch his story and you're gonna watch him get better right on camera. He gets a little choked up, watch for that. Love you guys, hope you guys learned something from this. It starts pretty darn young and it started young on him. We'd love to help him. See you guys next time. Hi, I'm with Juan here. Juan is a wet and hurting puppy from Bakersfield. Oh shit, I forgot about you. So anyways, he's come a long ways. He's tried everything he can possibly do not to come here because it's a long ways. He knows I'm good, but he wanted to try something local because he's like, I ain't going that far, right?
Yeah.
So, but he's been hurt for 2.5 years. Tell us how old are you? 55, 65? How old are you?
21.
20 freaking 1. I mean, this guy's a kid and he's having kids and he's trying to be an adult, but he can't freaking be an adult because his
My back hurts.
back hurts, yeah. And so he's been to 5 different loser chiropractors and none of them helped him. 2.5 years, acupuncturist, physical therapist, and orthopedist. What did the freaking orthopedist want to do to you?
Surgery.
Yeah. Any other? He didn't even try. He was like, "We gotta cut you open, dude."
No, he just said something about like an injection, and that was it.
Oh, injection. So it wasn't even cutting you open. It was just injection.
It was either that or surgery, whichever one they wanted.
Yeah.
After
So
physical therapy.
anyways, I love you medical hacks out there too. So anyways, nobody's been able to help him. He's 3.5 hours away, driving one way,
Yeah.
and his wife's like, "Go, honey, go." Right?
Yeah.
Good. And we're gonna give him his life back. I can't stand that he's 21. He has this pain. So, so tell us your pain, buddy.
My lower back hurts. I can't squat. Can't put my socks on. Can't tie my shoe. I can't even roll over in bed to hug my wife.
Yeah. How many years is this? 2.5 years, right?
2.5.
Has it been getting worse?
Yeah, it's been getting worse.
Gotcha. And so, show us the pain. Where's your pain?
The lower back right here, and it runs down through my leg.
Down through your leg? How far down does it go to the leg?
All the way down.
All the way down? Worse in the morning, worse in the evening?
In the morning.
Gotcha. And so you've been told, lose some weight. What have you done?
I lost like more than 15 pounds now.
And how did it help you?
No.
Not at all. You cough or sneeze, what happens?
I feel like somebody's just smacking me in the back. Right
Smacking
here.
your ass. Smacking that ass. Gotcha. And so now he went to 5 different chiropractors. One did a thing called decompression. Tell us about this decompression crap.
Just sat me, lay down on the table. He strapped me up, and machine was just pulling me apart little by little.
Promised you was going to get you better, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how'd that help?
Nothing.
Gotcha. And then 5 chiropractors. Tell us all these x-rays. How many actually investigated this system?
None of them never even did a chart or anything.
No chart.
No.
How was my exam? What my exam? You said my exam. You're like, I've done more my exam than what?
Yeah.
All the other doctors put together.
Yeah, they didn't do nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing.
X-rays. I'm the first to take x-rays, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Out of all these quacker chiropractors that are not even adjusting you, what did they not adjust?
They never adjusted my neck.
Not even touched you, right?
No.
Fucking pissed off chiropractors. You guys are pissing me off because if anything I can show you guys, at least adjust the freaking neck. Even if you don't know how to do it. If I can get the results I get from adjusting the neck, at least try. God, you guys are killing me. Killing me. Okay, so you're here because we're going to fix you up, right?
Yeah.
Anything else you want to tell us?
No.
Let's get started over here. Okay, bend over, touch your toes as best you can.
Right.
Come on, you joke with this, right?
No, that's it. That
Okay,
hurts.
why?
That's a 8. It hurts right here in the back.
How old are you again?
21.
That's a joke too, right? You joke with
I'm
this?
21.
And you heard this bad?
October 6, 1996.
I love that. Proves it. He wants to prove it. Go ahead and go back like this.
It hurts like a 5.
Like a 5. Put your arms down. Look at the floor, please.
No pain.
No pain. Look at the ceiling.
Yeah, it hurts right here behind my
On a scale of 1
neck.
to 10, what is that?
Like a 4.
Like a 4. So half the amount of pain, if anything, in your neck. Get right?
Yeah.
And your back hurts.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and squat to the ground, please.
Probably about like right there. I can't
Why?
do it no more because it hurts my back and right here on my legs.
Okay, on a scale of 10, 1 to 10,
Like
what
a
is that?
6, 7.
6?
Yeah.
I want you to try a little bit more. One more time because they don't believe you that you can't squat.
I can't.
Just try it again.
Can't.
Come on, look at how strong, strapping boy.
I can't. That's
15
it.
pounds lighter, can't do it, huh?
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Ready to have your life back?
Oh man, I'm ready. I got another kid on the way, and Dad's ready to you know, take him to the park, but I can't take him like this because I can't even stand up for like 30 minutes without my back hurting.
Let's go, buddy. Be in a few minutes, guys. So, fingers in the belly. Shoot me, please. MRI, I'm going to show you guys. I'll put this post-this in a second. Big freaking herniated disc. I mean, the guy has a big one on there. I'm surprised the guy didn't railroad him into surgery. I'm glad he didn't, because we're going to help him a lot more than that. You guys were like, how can a neck adjustment help a herniated disc? Well, just watch and learn. X-rays. Scoliosis, low back, 21 degrees. Way the hell off. Atlas is completely worn off. Reverse curve. Poor posture. His whole body is leaning forward. He is such an antalgic position. You can show that. I'll put all those arrows on there, but he's got it all going on. He's got the body of a champion if he was 60. Yeah, so he already has arthritis too. I mean, you already have a lot of stuff going on, dude. So I can't wait to help you here, okay?
All right.
Good. Keep this really simple. Most important thing you do is relax, right? This is your first neck adjustment ever, right?
Yeah.
God damn. Unbelievable. Relax. Good. What was that like?
Oh man, felt good.
Felt good?
Yeah.
Okay. What's it doing to your body right now? Anything
I feel like a little tingling down my back.
already down your back?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, just let this go. Okay, we have this. Good, nice. What was that like?
I felt that down my right leg.
And which leg do you have sciatica down?
My right leg?
Really?
Yeah.
Did I touch your leg?
No.
Did I rub that leg?
No.
I was going to say, did I shake weight the leg? That's funny. We saw this performance this weekend. It was disgusting. Anyways, it was hilarious too. So when you get up, what are the things I always tell you on the videos?
Don't move, twist or turn.
Perfect. And you're going to look where?
Straight.
And your arms down your side, right?
Yes.
Good. Keep it relaxed. Don't look to see how you feel right away, because we're going to let everything settle in and then we're going to check, okay? Good. Rinse it up. Dizzy though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel dizzy.
Yeah, your x-rays are the shit. They're pretty bad. And so I'm surprised how bad they are. We're going to get into the history of why they're so bad, but they're pretty bad for your age. And so I figured you're going to be dizzy. Okay? This dizziness is good, like I say in the videos, right?
Yeah.
It's good because it's changing something. You know, walk and recalibrate your spine. Breathe in your nose. Out. Good walk. Can you get up, please, Grace? Thank you. No, go the other room, please. How dizzy are you?
Still dizzy.
Good walking? Good walk. Okay, breathe in the nose. Good. Crazy how dizzy you are, huh?
Yeah, I'm alright now.
Better?
Yeah.
Deep breath in again. Good. Now, first impression.
Feel good.
Feel something different?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you feel? Tell the camera what you feel.
I just feel different. I feel like I don't have a lot of pressure on my back anymore standing up.
Different, right?
Yeah.
2.5 years of pain.
Yeah.
Have you ever felt this immediate kind of change?
No.
You ready to see how you feel overall?
Yeah.
Touch your toes, please. Okay, that was a 7, I think, a minute ago.
Right there.
Gotcha. Still having trouble, but you can see how much range of motion. At least another 12 inches. How much pain in your back?
Like a 4.
4, so
Yeah.
about 40% less.
Yeah.
Go back, please. That was a 6 or a 5, I think, or something like that.
I have no pain.
Okay, hold on. What was that again?
I have no pain.
That was a 6 or a 5 for 2.5
Yeah.
years, right? Yeah, that's interesting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, look at the floor with your neck. Nothing. Look at the ceiling. That was a 4 a minute ago.
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing again.
Yeah.
Okay, the big one. This is the big one. This is the pick the kids up moment. Squat.
Yeah, I can squat again.
Okay, you guys saw that, right? Was that a little difference?
Yeah, that's a big difference.
You were a 7 or an 8 on that. What is that now? You had pain in your legs before, in the back of your legs. What was that
I feel
now?
like a squat, like I'm in high school
Yeah, do it
football
again.
again.
Do it again. Yeah, fuck. You never squatted that low in high school football. Oh, you would have been an all athlete with that now. What's the difference?
Big difference.
3.5 hour drive. Was it worth it?
Yeah, it was worth it.
2.5 freaking years of bullshit. You've got a lot of work to do, but first step towards getting your life back, man.
Thanks.
You're welcome. See you guys.